Oh, wait. Shh! You're making me nervous. Is it up there? Whoa. Ah! That's why I get slow. That's why I really hate storms. I flip out. Slow. Oh my god! Ah! Shit, lightning just hit the ground. Oh god! 911, we have an emergency! Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, they weren't kidding when they say violent storms at Allentown. Whoa! I don't think I want to film anymore. I'm getting nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so glad to have off on this. Because I would die. Especially if the power goes out, I'll still die. Even, whoa, it's really getting windy out here. Alright, Mother Nature, if you want to stop it now, that'd be great. No, she don't care. Let's not piss her off. I think she's angry. Oh my god! I think I'm just gonna go in my room under the bed and never come out.